Hmm. Hello viewers, myself Shyamul Amin. Today I am going to teach you about trigonometric identities. So let us start. So very firstly, you should know about the some trigonometric ratios. It's very important. First, sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Cot theta is equal to adjacent by opposite. Secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent. Cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite. So these are very important 6 ratios you should keep in your mind. So next, reciprocal function, it is also very important. So there are 3 reciprocal functions. So cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. In other words, sin theta reciprocal is 1 by cosecant theta. Next, second one, secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Third one, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. It's very important. Next, ratio functions are 2. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. And you should always remember the trigonometric identities. The 3 basic identities you should be remember in your mind. That is sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Second one, 1 plus tan square a is equal to secant square a. Third one, 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosecant square a. So based on these 3 identities, we can going to solve some problems. It's very important for SSLC annual examination for 3 or 4 marks. So I am going to solve some 4 problems. So see and keep it up. So first question is, prove the following. Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. In other words, we can also prove by RHS is equal to LHS. So consider first RHS. RHS is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So let us solve this problem. So consider this function. First we should consider this function by rationalizing the denominator. So here 1 plus cos theta is in denominator. So we should multiply 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Okay, now if you multiply, we get 1 minus cos square theta that divided by 1 minus cos square theta. So now consider, we know that from identities, sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1, or sin square theta is equal plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Similar, just replace theta by a, that's all. Cos square a is equal to 1. Now if you replace 1 minus, transfer here 1 minus cos square a is equal to sin square a. So write 1 minus cos square theta denominator by sin square a. So 1 minus cos square theta that divided by, instead of sin square a, I will write sin square theta. Okay, now split these two terms. 1 by sin square theta minus cos square theta divided by sin square theta. Okay, as I have said, by reciprocal function here, cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So therefore 1 by sin square theta is equal to cosecant theta whole square minus cos square theta by sin square theta is equal to cot square theta as ratio function 2. So therefore replace this cos square theta by sin square theta by cot square theta. Okay, now cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is nothing but you can write in the form of cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. So this is the LHS we want to prove. That is very simple. So let us solve the one more problem. So second problem is cos a by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a by cos a is equal to 2 secant a. So first consider the LHS. So given cos a by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a by cos a. So take the LCM. 1 plus sin a into cos a is the LCM. 1 plus sin a into cos a is the LCM. So if you multiply this, we get 1 plus sin a into cos a, sin 1 plus sin a get cancelled, so cos square a. Cos square a plus 1 plus sin a into sin a get cancelled, so therefore we get 1 plus sin square 1 plus sin square a. So now consider cos square a plus 1 plus sin square a is whole form. We can write 1 plus sin a whole square, that divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. Now a plus b whole square, cos square a plus a plus b whole square is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 sin a, that divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. Okay, now by consider things, separation of a function, cos square a plus sin square a this side plus 1 square plus 2 sin a, that divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. Now we know the identities from first I have given here sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1, or cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1. Therefore cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1. I'll write 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin a, that divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. Okay, now 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 sin a, that divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. Okay, take 2 common. If you take 2 common, 2 into 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a, that divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. Okay, 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a get cancelled. 2 into 1 by cos a is nothing but secant a, as I have reciprocal function 1 by cos a is nothing but secant a. Therefore 2 into 1 by cos a is nothing but secant a. Therefore 2 into secant a. This is the RHS what we have to prove. So that's it. Okay, let us solve third problem, just similar to here upward cos a, here the sin a, similar to same type. I am going to solve this also problem, so please listen. So here take LCM first. 1 plus cos a into sin a is the LCM. Okay, so 1 plus cos a into sin a is the LCM, so multiply here, so we will get sin square a, 1 plus cos a, 1 plus cos a get cancelled, sin square a plus 1 plus cos square a. Just similar to this problem what I have solved here. So sin square a plus, so here it is in the form of a plus b whole square, so 1 plus cos a whole square, that divided by 1 plus cos a into sin a. Okay, so now a plus b whole square, just similar, sin square a plus 1 plus a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 cos a, by 1 plus cos a into sin a. Okay, hope I understood. So now as usual, separate this term, sin square a plus cos square A plus 1 plus 2 cos A, that divided by 1 plus cos A into sin A. Okay, now as usual identity, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 plus 2, 2 cos A, 2 cos A, that divided by 1 plus cos A into sin A. Okay, now 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2 cos A, that divided by 1 plus cos A into sin A. Okay, now take 2 common, 2 into 1 plus cos A, that divided by 1 plus cos A into sin A. So 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A get cancelled. 2 into 1 by sin A, reciprocal of 1 by sin is cosecant. As I have shown here, cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Therefore 2 into 1 by sin theta is nothing but cosecant theta. Therefore 2 into cosecant theta. So that is equal to RHS. Okay, now the last problem I am going to solve. It's very simple. Usually they are going to ask for 2 marks. So 1 plus tan square A into 1 minus sin square is equal to 1. So consider the identities. As here I have written 1 plus tan square A is nothing but secant square A. 1 plus tan square A is nothing but secant square A. So therefore write 1 plus tan square is nothing but secant square A. Now this is somewhat different. So we know that, what we know, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to sin square A plus cos square A, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Okay, so shift here, 1 minus sin square A, sin square A is equal to cos square A. Am I right? Okay, so therefore shift 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A. Therefore secant square A into 1 minus sin square A is nothing but cos square A. Therefore cos square A. But we know that reciprocal of cos square A is secant square A. Therefore secant square A into cos square A is 1 by secant square A. So 1 by secant square A. Secant square cancel. That is equal to 1. Therefore this is equal to RHS. So hope I think you understood my channel. So please subscribe my channel, tap the bell icon, you will get more videos, and like and share and comment the videos. So thank you so much. Thank you.